thank you, Bibi, for everything. I really appreciate it. I could start listing everybody and go like table by table, and then I miss somebody, and that would not be good. But I just want to recognize each and every one of your efforts in ensuring that our community remains strong, in ensuring that Mississauga-Erin Mills remains strong and liberal, and ensuring that we care about one another at the end of the day. So really, today is all about you. It is about thanking you for all of your efforts. I am very humbled and grateful for all that you do for me, and I hope that you know that you can always count on me to ensure that I'm able to support you in your efforts and the work that you do. Really, really from the bottom of my heart, thank you. So now I will recognize and acknowledge and bring up our phenomenal President of Multan, our Parliamentary Secretary, Minister of Sport and Minister of Health, Adam McCord. Come on up, Adam.
Okay, I've never been called the President